guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. So easy to make. It will melt in your mouth. This lemon butter codfish is so simple to make. Let me show you how, and let's get started. In a clean plate, I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna season with salt, mix well. You can either salt the fish or add salt to the flour, not both. Now I'm gonna lightly coat 4 good-sized pieces of cod fillet on both sides. Lightly cover with flour. Finish coating the fish, and then I'm gonna heat a pan, a good-sized pan. Add 35 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The oil will prevent the butter from burning. When the pan is hot enough, I'm gonna add the fish fillets 2 at a time. Try to shake off the excess flour. You're gonna cook 1 minute on each side or until it develops a little bit of color. It doesn't have to cook all the way through because it's gonna go back in the sauce. This is exactly what I'm looking for, a little bit of color. I flip on the other side and let it cook for another minute. I remove and I cook the other 2 fillets the same way. This amount is enough for 4 people. You can adjust it the way you like, less or more. And remember, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. You asked for easy recipes, and I'm giving you some easy recipes that comes together in minutes. In less than half an hour, you're gonna have a whole meal on the table. Let me know if you like these recipes in the comments box below. I'm gonna add a touch more olive oil and some garlic, smashed garlic, about 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Now I'm gonna add some capers, 2 tablespoons of capers. I'm using oil marinated capers, but you can use any kind. And my favorite ingredient, a whole jar of artichokes. I try to remove as much liquid as possible. Mix in all the ingredients. It's starting to smell amazing. Now I'm gonna add a handful of green olives, pitted green olives, whichever kind you like. 4 ounces of a good drinking white wine. Let it cook down a little bit. Now you're gonna add 4 ounces of water. And if you don't want to use wine, you can just add water, 8 ounces to begin with. And now it's cooking down and boiling nicely. I put back the fish in the pan to finish cooking. Now is the time to adjust the salt if you think it needs any. The last thing you want to do is add 20 grams of cold butter and a squeeze of half a lemon. Garnish with some fresh parsley, some more capers if you like, red pepper flakes, and enjoy with egg noodles pasta or linguine, whatever pasta you like, or by itself. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit! This is really everything you want in a fish. It's light, flaky, lemony, saucy. It is really good. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below.